Hello everyone, welcome back to EduLogos Mind. You can see the picture of Parliament. Today you will discuss about our government. As you know, India is a democratic country. The citizens of India elect the government by voting during elections. Different political parties contest in this election, and then after voting, by the voting, they elect, they win, and the winner party make the government in states or in central. So now I want to focus some extra thing. Like you can see Jammu and Kashmir. How our country 29 states become 28 and 7 union territories become 9 union territories. Last year 2019, Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill passed. What is that bill? The state of Jammu Kashmir will bifurcated into 2 union territories. That is Jammu and Kashmir and another Ladakh. Means this Jammu and Kashmir, one state divided into two. One Jammu and Kashmir and another, this portion is Ladakh. Both are union territories, they declared. But Ladakh, the union territories, totally will be controlled by the Lieutenant Governor, whoever in the post. The person Lieutenant Government that is controlled which place? Ladakh. And the rest Jammu and Kashmir, that is also union territory, but there they can elect their legislature member and run the government by them. So this one state become 2 union territories. That's why our 29 states become 28 states and 7 union territories become 9 union territories. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now what? Now few question answers. A group of people that make laws and manages a country is known as government. Parliament is the branch of government which makes laws. Now few recap of the lessons of the lesson the government. A group of people that make laws and manages a country is known as a गवर्नमेंट मीन्स गवर्नमेंट ही है जो इस एक कंट्री में लॉज बनाते हैं और उसको मैनेज भी करते हैं. द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट इज मेड अप ऑफ लीडर्स हु आर चूजन बाय द सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया. मीन्स जो एडल्ट होता है आफ्टर 18 ईयर्स ओल्ड वोट देने के अलाउ हो जाते हैं और उसके बाद वोट दे के वो कोई भी इंडियन सिटीजन अपने लीडर चुन सकते हैं और वो ही लीडर गवर्नमेंट में आके गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं. इन इंडिया द गवर्नमेंट वर्क्स थ्रू 3 branches that you have noted. Yes, last time explained last video that through 3 branches the government works and controls the country. The Parliament of India make laws for the country. Yes, first branch parliament that make the laws for the country. Another branch of government ensure that the government treats all the people of India in a fair and just manner. It also ensures that the laws of the country are followed by all. Means branch of government, second branch of government look after that laws are obeyed or not by the Indian and these laws are good for the people of citizen of country or not. Court form the third branch of the government. They punish those who do not follow the laws. जो laws को obey नहीं करते हैं, नहीं follow करते हैं, the court punishes them. Central and state government work together to look after the needs of the people of the country. आपको पता है कि from central government the MPs come and the state government the MLAs come. Both are sitting in parliament. दोनों के ग्रुप ही पार्लियामेंट, दोनों हाउस पार्लियामेंट में बैठते हैं और वो लोग टोटल कंट्री में क्या पीपल का, सिटीजन्स का नीड्स है, क्या ज़रूरत है नहीं है, उसके ऊपर चर्चा करते हैं, लॉज बनाते हैं और बहुमत से वो लॉज पार्लियामेंट में पास करते हैं. These all things are the just a review of this lesson. Now we will see the question answer. Just write down. What is meant by a government? What is meant by a government? A group of people that make laws and manages a country is known as a government. Mention two things that government should do. The government should make rules or laws for the country, make sure that the laws are put into force. Number 3 question. Amongst how many branches is the work of Indian government divided? There are 3 branches amongst Indian government: Parliament, legislature; government, executive; court, judiciary. Now next, what is the role of the court? The court ensures that the laws are fair to everybody in the country. Why has India been divided into state and union territories? Because it is difficult to govern the entire country from a single center. What is it important to have a set of law to govern a country? Because laws provide a general safety. Laws provide a general safety to all the citizens of the country. So, it is important to have a set of laws to govern a country. Okay? I hope everything is clear to you. Now, if you like the video, then subscribe EduLogos Mind. Thank you very much.